Hey guys, it's day number 13 in the 90-day challenge. I am here at Second Harvest Food Bank. A group of friends and I just got finished working here, volunteering our time, shoving food from one conveyor belt to another, taping up boxes. I don't even know if you can see me, the sun is so bad. But we had a blast. It was a lot of fun. Here's my challenge for you today. Put your body where your mouth is. If you keep saying that you're an advocate of this or that and you're not volunteering and helping out where it's needed, then you're not doing your thing. I want to inspire you by example, as our hashtag says. So please get out and volunteer at organizations like Second Harvest. They need you. They need people to do this. It's not enough to just donate money and throw some food in a bin. If you have time and you can get out here and help this organization or others like it, I'm all for it. I love my church because we're very active. I was here with that group today, and they always volunteer at things like this. Last year we volunteered at Arno, the Animal Rescue of New Orleans. We've been helping with St. Bernard Project, Habitat for Humanity, a whole bunch of them. You can read about those on our gracenola.com website and learn more about that. But if you want to get involved and you don't know how, let me know, because I can point you in the right direction. This is an awesome opportunity for you to put your body where your mouth is. I love you guys. I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Share if you like my video.